What's up, everybody? It's your boy, TechTuts360, and let me tell you, we're about to dive into something huge. What if I told you there are free AI tools that can help you make money in 2024? You heard right, free. No crazy investments, no hidden fees, just pure money-making potential at your fingertips. We're talking about the future of side hustles, people. Forget those boring surveys and data entry gigs. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can help you earn extra income. No experience required. That's right, even if you're just starting out, these tools are so easy to use, you'll be raking in the dough in no time. So are you ready to unlock the secrets to making money online with AI? Then buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this money. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI that's taking the writing world by storm. And trust me, this ain't your grandma's writing software, this AI is on another level. Imagine having a personal wordsmith on call 24/7, ready to crank out high-quality content at the drop of a hat. With ChatGPT, you can generate anything from catchy blog posts and informative articles to captivating ebooks and even attention-grabbing social media posts. And the best part? You don't need to be a Shakespearean scholar to use it. Just feed it a few keywords, tell it what you need, and boom! ChatGPT whips up fresh, original content like magic. But here's where the real money-making magic happens. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teeming with hungry clients desperate for quality written content. They're willing to pay top dollar for blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, you name it. And with ChatGPT as your secret weapon, you can become their go-to content creator, churning out high-quality work at lightning speed. Think about it, guys. You could be sitting on a beach somewhere sipping a tropical drink, while ChatGPT writes its way to your next paycheck. It's like having your own personal money-making machine. And the best part is, the more you use ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding your style and delivering exactly what you need. So ditch that dusty old typewriter and embrace the future of writing with ChatGPT. It's time to turn your words into cold, hard cash. Next up, we're diving into the world of design with Canva Magic Write. Now I know what you're thinking. Design? But I can barely draw a stick figure. Don't worry, my friend, because Canva Magic Write is here to unleash your inner design guru. Even if you've never touched a paintbrush in your life, we're talking about creating stunning visuals that would make Picasso jealous. All with the help of AI. Need a sleek new logo for your brand? Canva Magic Write has got you covered. Want to spice up your social media with eye-catching graphics? Canva Magic Write will make your posts pop. From flyers and brochures to presentations and invitations, this tool can handle it all. But here's the real kicker. You can turn these design skills into a lucrative side hustle. Small businesses are constantly searching for affordable and high-quality design work. They need logos, social media graphics, marketing materials, the list goes on. And with Canva Magic Write in your arsenal, you can become their one-stop shop for all things design. Imagine the possibilities. You could be designing logos for trendy startups, creating eye-catching visuals for local businesses, or even crafting stunning social media campaigns for influencers. The demand for design work is sky-high, and Canva Magic Write gives you the power to meet that demand with ease. So ditch those expensive design courses and forget about hiring a freelancer. Canva Magic Write puts the power of professional design right at your fingertips, allowing you to create stunning visuals and rake in the cash while you're at it. Chapter 3. ElevenLabs, the voiceover hustle that speaks volumes. Get ready to lend your voice to the world, because we're about to explore the incredible world of ElevenLabs. Now you might be thinking, voiceover work? But I don't have a fancy studio or years of experience. Well, hold on to your hats, because ElevenLabs is here to blow your mind and revolutionize the way you think about voiceovers. This AI-powered platform lets you create realistic and engaging voiceovers for any project imaginable. We're talking about videos, podcasts, audiobooks, explainer videos, video games, you name it. And the best part? You don't need to be Morgan Freeman to make it happen. ElevenLabs offers a vast library of incredibly realistic voices, each with its own unique tone and style. Whether you need a warm and friendly voice for a children's audiobook, a deep and authoritative voice for a documentary, or a quirky and energetic voice for a YouTube video, ElevenLabs has got you covered. But here's where things get really exciting. You can turn this voiceover magic into a profitable side hustle. The demand for high-quality voiceovers is constantly growing, and with ElevenLabs you can tap into this lucrative market without breaking a sweat. Think about it. You could be narrating audiobooks for aspiring authors, providing voiceovers for corporate training videos, or even lending your voice to animated characters. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is through the roof. So ditch that dusty old microphone and embrace the future of voiceover with ElevenLabs. It's time to let your voice be heard and watch the money roll in. Chapter 4. Pictory, the short video empire that's raking in the cash. Hold on to your hats, content creators, because we're about to unlock the secrets of video marketing with Pictory. In today's fast-paced digital world, short, attention-grabbing videos are king. But creating engaging video content can feel like a daunting task, especially if you're not a video editing wizard. That's where Pictory comes in to save the day. This AI-powered platform makes video creation ridiculously easy, even if you've never touched a video editing software before. We're talking about transforming static content like blog posts and articles into captivating videos that will have your audience hooked. Imagine taking your latest blog post, dropping it into Pictory, and watching in amazement as it magically transforms into a dynamic video complete with visuals, music, and even voiceovers. It's like having a personal video editing team at your beck and call, ready to turn your ideas into visual masterpieces. But here's the real game changer. You can turn this video magic into a profitable side hustle. Businesses are constantly searching for ways to create engaging video content for their social media, websites, and marketing campaigns. And with Pictory, you can become their go-to video creation guru. Think about it. You could be creating eye-catching social media videos for local businesses, crafting explainer videos for startups, or even producing short documentaries for online courses. The demand for video content is exploding, and Pictory gives you the power to capitalize on this booming market. So ditch those complicated video editing softwares and embrace the future of video creation with Pictory. It's time to unleash your inner Spielberg, create videos that captivate your audience, and watch the money roll in. Chapter 5. DALL 2. Unleash your inner artist and sell your AI masterpieces. Get ready to unleash your inner artist because we're about to dive into the mind-blowing world of DALL 2. Now you might be thinking, AI art, but I can barely draw a straight line. Well, hold on to your paintbrushes because DALL 2 is here to shatter your artistic limitations and redefine what's possible in the world of creativity. This revolutionary AI tool allows you to generate unique and stunning artwork simply by describing what you want to see. That's right, you don't need years of art school or a fancy studio to create breathtaking masterpieces. Just type in your ideas and watch in amazement as DALL 2 brings your imagination to life. Imagine typing in a surreal landscape with floating islands and glowing waterfalls and witnessing DALL 2 generate a breathtaking work of art that rivals the masters. Or how about a futuristic cityscape with flying cars and neon lights? DALL 2 can handle it all, pushing the boundaries of art and imagination with every creation. But here's the real stroke of genius. You can turn this AI-powered creativity into a profitable side hustle. The world is hungry for unique and eye-catching artwork, and with DALL 2, you can become a digital art entrepreneur overnight. Think about it. You could be selling your AI-generated masterpieces on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble, offering custom artwork commissions, or even collaborating with businesses to create stunning visuals for their brands. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. So ditch those dusty old paintbrushes and embrace the future of art with DALL 2. It's time to unleash your inner artist, create stunning AI-generated masterpieces, and turn your creativity into cold, hard cash. Start your AI money-making journey today. Can you believe the incredible money-making potential of these 5 free AI tools? From writing and design to voiceovers, video editing, and even art, there's an AI side hustle out there for everyone. These 5 AI tools can help you start earning money today. No more excuses, guys. The future is here, and it's ready to make you some serious cash. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, explore these incredible tools, and discover which one speaks to your inner entrepreneur. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends so they can join in on the AI money-making revolution. Until next time, stay creative, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next video.